Hey guys, if you're a vegan or you have egg allergy or you are cooking and realize you're out of eggs, what do? You definitely have to find a replacement. So let's talk about 5 common food ingredients that can be used as egg replacers in our kitchens. My name is Dr. Josephine Ampofu and I am a food technologist. On this channel, we discuss food ingredients and how they impact our health. Now, let's get the ball rolling. The first egg replacer I'll talk about will be aquafaba. Aquafaba is a liquid obtained after cooking legumes. However, I recommend you choose chickpeas aquafaba because the liquid from chickpeas is kind of golden in color and works well with many recipes compared to other liquid obtained from other legumes. Aquafaba works well if your recipe requires only egg whites. If your recipe requires egg yolk or the whole eggs, then aquafaba will not be a good choice as an egg replacer. So it's mostly used in foods like marshmallows, meringues, and macarons. 1 egg is equivalent to 45 grams or 3 tablespoons of aquafaba. So when I went to use aquafaba, all you have to do is to whip the liquid until it becomes foamy. Once it's foamy, it's ready to be used. Also, because it's from chickpeas or any other form of legume, you benefit from the trace amount of beta vitamins, folic acids, and healthy liquids like oleic acids and neoleic acids that will always leach from the chickpeas or the legumes into the cooking liquid. The second egg replacer will be applesauce. Applesauce is made by cooking apples until they form a smooth paste. As an egg replacer, applesauce will be able to bind your ingredients together while also increasing the moistness of your bake. However, here's a tip. If you are using other sweeteners in your baking and you want to use applesauce as your egg replacer, make sure you use unsweetened applesauce because combining using applesauce with other sweeteners may disrupt your desired sweetness of the baking. Using applesauce as an egg replacer is an innovative way for us to increase the natural sweetness of our bake, but also increasing our intake of fiber and antioxidants. So to use an applesauce as an egg replacer, 1 egg is equivalent to a 1/4 cup or 65 grams of applesauce. Our next food ingredient is coconut oil. So if you're seeking to replace your eggs in breading your foods, then you want something that has a mild flavor. And coconut oil is one of your best choice. So coconut oil works well with breaded tofu and also with lemon cakes. To use coconut oil as an egg replacer, 1 egg is equivalent to 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. And also, it will increase your absorption of beta vitamins. And coconut oil is also healthy for your gut. However, don't use too much of the coconut oil because it will increase the calorie content of the bake or the food that you seek to apply as an egg replacer. Before we proceed to our next food ingredient, kindly support the channel's growth by hitting on the subscription button. And also, it will help me to give a notice whenever I post a video and help YouTube to spread the content to other people in the community. Thank you very much. The next common egg replacer will be mashed banana. So just like eggs, banana will also add moistness and density to your bakes. However, banana has a strong flavor, so that it's advisable you apply it in your recipes that require banana as an ingredient. So to use banana as an egg replacer, then half of a large banana is equivalent to 1 egg. And it works well in brownies, in cakes, in bread, and also in muffins. Using banana will also increase your intake of fiber and potassium. Our last common egg replacer will be whole flaxseed flour. Guys, not polished flaxseed flour, but whole flaxseed flour. This is because the peel in the flaxseed has a gum that enables it to absorb moisture and then form a gel-like structure. Okay, and the gel-like structure is able to bind ingredients together just like egg white. So flaxseed egg replacer works well in pancakes, in waffles, in bread, in muffins, and also in cookies. However, take note that flaxseed has a nutty flavor and also impart the final sensory of your product. So you have to know the sensory attributes that you expect from your end product before you know which type of bake to apply flaxseed as an egg replacer. Also, the flaxseed egg replacer will not add to the rising of the bake. Okay, so you have to, or maybe you may want to add a pinch of baking soda before you bake it. To use whole flaxseed flour as an egg replacer, then 1 egg is equivalent to 1 tablespoon of grounded whole flaxseed flour, or 75 grams. Okay, and it's mixed with 3 tablespoons of water, or 45 grams of water. So there you have it with common food ingredients that can be used as egg replacers. But remember that it always depends on the type of dish that you are cooking and also on your preference. So having these questions answered before choosing the egg replacer will help you to obtain your desired sensory qualities. And although they may not give you the same running quality as you see in eggs, I think that once they are all clean ingredients, they're also meeting a nutritional need. I think that they are healthy for us to use it. So take care, keep making smart food choices, and don't forget to support the channel's group by hitting on the subscription button. And also you can share the video with anybody in your community. Okay, so see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.